musical tonight. We're kind of singing along with all that.
Darling, I don't know about your warthogs, but my giraffes were right on cue.
My elephants didn't seem to have a
Now wait just a minute. I think we're being challenged here. But look, I'll tell you what. Our lions and warthogs against your giraffes and your elephants. Your sections do the Weeble ways and we'll take care of the hard part.
The hard parts would be...
Observe.
That's what our lions and warthogs will sing the hard part.
And our giraffes and elephants will do the Weeble way.
But who will sing the melody?
Step aside, out of the way, professional artiste coming through. Me, 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 me. Excuse me, my human friends. Since someone has neglected to establish a meerkat section, I guess that leaves me to sing the melody. So, if you're finished with all the talking, can we start to sing along already?
All right, Simone, let's take it to the top.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
All right, what do you say? Who won?
I think it's pretty clear. The giraffes and elephants won!
Oh, no. I think it's pretty clear that the lions and the warthogs won.
You know what I think?
What?
I think it's time to finish the song. My darling, don't be my darling, the lion sleeps tonight.
I said, push my darling, don't be my darling, the lion sleeps tonight.
Give yourself a big hand. Great job. Especially you. You were perfect. Come on, Jack. Let's take it home. Don't worry. For the rest of your days, it's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Ooh, oh, oh.
Can you feel the love tonight?
Century, be prepared for the murkiest sky. Meticulous pleasure kings, satisfied faces, the fears of denial, simply wild. Undisputed, this moment so new, and sing for the his fighting animation of it. Be prepared. Come on, let every creature go and see. In the herd of me, yeah, it's gonna be simplicity. Oh, I just can't wait to be here. Oh, I just can't